Hello everyone, this is 3dprintedmolds.com here with a bit of a different bait for you today. This is a 2-inch hard plastic glide bait I 3D printed, designed and 3D printed. It's got a really nice twitch action as you can see there. So let's head upstream and do some fishing, shall we? The fish have been further upstream than normal, so I had to crawl up the riverbank to get around where I wanted to go, as you can see here, and trudge my way up some pretty tall grass. But in the end it ended up being worth it, because as I made it to my next spot, I caught one of the best smallmouth out of this creek I have ever caught. I've been fishing this creek for the past probably at least 3 years, and if this isn't the biggest one out of this creek, it's certainly up there with it, and definitely the biggest one I've caught on one of my printed baits. So here you see me showing it off there a little bit. So this next part of the video I'm going to play with the original audio, which is going to get this video copyright struck because it's got some copyright music in it. But please enjoy this, as it were. Ooh, holy shit, that's a big fish. What is that? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Huh, 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 huh. That's a nice smallmouth. Nice smallmouth. Nice. Oh, that is a brute. That is a brute right there. That is a brute. Nice. Oh my goodness. That is a brute. While this smallmouth maybe at best weighed 1.5 pounds, which isn't a big smallmouth to a lot of people, that's a big smallmouth for this creek. So I snapped a couple pictures, and as you can see, needed to get the fish back in the water there. So we got him back in the water and let him go. Whew. Nice fish. Nice fish. Totally mangled that hook. For reference, in this picture here, the bait's about 2 inches long, so this fish has to be 18 to 20. Since he ruined my hook, I got another treble hook off of an inline spinner bait I had in my bag and threw that on the bait, and it ended up looking quite good with that, because it had the little feather from the inline spinner bait. Looked really nice. Just throwing a picture of it here for some good measure. So that ended up being the only fish I caught this day, but I did end up catching, well, not catching, I did end up missing a smaller one seen here in this shot. I haven't decided what I want to do with this bait yet. If I want to put up the CAD file on my website for people to download and make themselves, or if I want to try to sell the blanks in wholesale. I can print like 40 of these blanks at a time, so I'd be able to sell the blanks wholesale pretty darn cheap, probably 50 cents a piece. Um, so if you were interested in either of those things, drop a comment or visit my website at www.3dprintedmolds.com. Hope to see you there.